Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Right behind me is a 2025 Ford Mustang, the 60th anniversary package. We're going to be going ahead and taking an in-depth look on the Mustang. This one's got unique badging and a little bit just different designing in terms of the wheels. So we're going to take you an in-depth look all around the car, show you the new badges, and let's go. 2025 60th anniversary Mustang. You got a unique grille over there. See, right here. This is in Wimbledon white. It's going to be 1965. They're going to be sold in this color. You can get this color, race red, and I believe blue as well. Yeah, revised 20-inch wheels, slightly bigger than what you typically get on your GT. Nice badge over here for the red badge over here for the 60th anniversary, and you got striping right there. It's a unique white to the 2025 Mustang. This is a premium, as you can see. Nice red leather seats. And from the rear, you also get a unique badging. GT, 60 years. Looks really good. I like the red. They did say there's going to be a customization option. I wonder if they're going to have an exclusive gauge for the 2025 60-year anniversary. That's one of the benefits of the over-the-year updates. They can customize the gauge however they want to, so I'm pretty sure we're going to get a 60-year custom gauge for the Mustang. These two vehicles are the highlight for the Ford show. We've got the 60th anniversary 2025 Mustang. Got a dark horse over there with the matte black paint. That's something new that they're advertising. And I have to say the 50th anniversary does look pretty good, and it's going to be exclusive. It's not going to be one of those where the 2015 had its package. This is going to be actually a limited run. I'm sure they'll probably roll out the package as well, but this is going to be just a very limited run for these 2025 Mustangs with this package. You got 60-year striping over here, unique badge, 50 with the red. So thankfully they moved the car back to this Ford booth where there's less people and less background noise. So I'm really able to check it out and give you a little bit more in-depth review or just a first look of this 2025 Mustang. This was the only 2025 Mustang that was kind of advertised there. So no other details have been leaked in terms of what else we can expect from the 2025 Mustang. Of course, it's the 60th year anniversary package. So this one, you're going to get the new wheels, you're going to get some badging, the stripes and all of that good stuff. So this is going to be not just a package, as we were saying earlier. This is going to be a special limited run. So this one is something you're not really going to see on your lot, or you will, but they will be already spoken for. So these are going to go for a crazy amount of money. But I'm really excited to see as the 2024s are kind of coming to an end, what Ford is going to do with the 2025 Mustang. If this isn't any indication with the 60th year anniversary package, all we see is, the GT badges you can see over there, just the badging and striping. We may not see that much changes from the 2024 Mustangs to 2025 Mustangs, because while the 2025 has been unveiled in the form of the 60th year anniversary package, if Ford was really willing to do something different in terms of the engine option, transmission, maybe offering the Tremec for the regular Mustang GT instead of, holding it behind the dark horse, then this would probably be where we would see it, where Ford would advertise some of the newer performance options, engine options, or even hybrid drivetrain or anything like that on this 25 anniversary package. So the fact that the 25 Mustang has been unveiled as this 60th anniversary package, I'm kind of expecting, this will be the highlight of the 2025 Mustang, and there's not going to be that many changes, but that's kind of consistent with what we have seen with other Mustangs too, with the 2015. The 2015 and 2016 did not see much changes. 2017, you got the Sync 3 software version with a 3.4, and you got the CarPlay. And the 2018 was where you really saw a refresh. So this is probably what we're going to see with the 25. You might get some new colors. Ford might bring back some of the newer colors. Some of the packages will get revived. We already have the GT California edition. But we might not see a special variant, so to speak, like a Boss 302, GT350, or a GT500. Although the image Ford dropped earlier at National Mustang Day a couple months back said was going to be a new trim coming to the Mustang. So I'm kind of curious. I've speculated on that before on my channel. because I don't think it's going to be a Boss 302 because that would compete with a dark horse, and the whole idea of a dark horse is to have a new nameplate and a track-focused 5.0 Mustang, kind of replacing the Mustang Mach 1. But I'm curious if Ford is finally going to do a GT500 for the S650 Mustang. We've seen a lot of rumors, we've seen some spy shots, but that would be exciting to see a GT500 S650 Mustang, because this one just going to be a package, not much I'm expecting. But because Ford dropped it earlier this year, in terms of the reveal of, or not reveal, but really a leaked photo, so to speak, just showcasing what we can get for the 25 Mustang, is what my guess is that we're gonna probably see a GT500. I would love to see a GT500 variant on the 2025 Mustang. But I think there's also been rumors about hybrid Mustangs and also a sedan version. I know a lot of people hate that, having a Mustang as a sedan, but I feel that's one of the things I would be all for it, because most people who would be using a sedan Mustang, are people who are graduated from the coupe life. They cannot fit their family anymore. They just want four doors to be able to use the Mustangs. So still keeping them in the Mustang brand is, I think, very essential, especially when you've got the Mustang Mach-E as the SUV. So you really got this whole brand thing going on where you can't do coupes anymore. You graduate to the sedan, and then you eventually graduate to an SUV if that's what your lifestyle kind of commands. So I know a lot of people hate that. I actually don't mind having Mustang as a brand in itself and just offering a wide variety of choices, especially with some of the leaks we have seen for the Mustang sedans. They actually look pretty good, and I wouldn't mind rocking it. I think with the Mustang sedan, what Ford could also do would probably be a all-wheel drive variant. All of that, I think, is not coming for the 2025 because, as I said, this is the only thing that has been revealed so far for the 2025 Mustangs. So I'm not really expecting much to change there. But I want to say for 26 or 27 is probably when the refresh is going to be. So for 2015 Mustang, we got refresh after about 3 years. In 2018, we got the Gen 3 Coyote and the 10-speed automatic transmission. My guess would be that we're probably going to see a refresh around 2027, and we're going to see some form of hybrid. I don't know if we're going to see a Mustang sedan just yet, but I have a feeling we're going to see some form of hybrid Mustang. And I don't know, saying it out loud kind of makes me feel, I don't like where Mustang is headed with the hybrid solution, but I think that's probably going to be happening. And I think Ford has been known for that, where a mid-cycle refresh really brings out either a new drivetrain or significantly improved numbers. So with the S197, we saw the GTs went from 4.6 to 5.0. With the S550, we saw the Gen 2 versus the Gen 3 Coyote motor, but the big change was the 6-speed automatic to 10-speed automatic transmission. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe to Red 50 for more videos.